Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Yeah. There. Sorry, my throat is a bit. So, we're there with Govana and Aidonia. Mayday. It's Govy. I did Mayday. Big up the 4th Gen camp. The whole 4th Gen camp. Big up the 4th Gen artists, them. Big up the 4th Gen fans, them. You don't know the thing, go. Long time I didn't drop a banger. So, I'm going to do it with Govy. So, we're going to jump in and see what I go on. You know from you see, Aidonia and Govana, you don't know, so it's going to be a madness, right? Let's go. Too much talking. Let's go.
Turn up and play brave when you keep wave. People are bad, Mayday. Turn up and play brave when you keep wave.
Let's go!
15 kick sweet. So come on, you no bother, you a piss sheet. Boy, you bad. Christine, Chrome, Christine, Pam.
Bombaclad! Sitting dead! Yo! Let's go again! Yeah! You're not bad, that's a kiss teeth.
15 kick sweet.
So come on, you're not bad, that's a
kiss sheet. Christine, Chrome, Christine, pa me belly, you the grip sweet, okay discreet. What you say you lock way? Which part, which street? Say no down, hold it deep, 6 feet.
Where you say you lock, brother? Where you say you lock? Which part, which street? Nobody don't know you from nowhere, brother. Where you lock? Lock your mouth, stop chat, lock chat. What?
Turn up and play brave when you keep wave. People are bad, Mayday.
Bombaclad!
Turn up and play brave when you keep wave.
It's gonna be a dark Christmas. Let's go!
15 kick sweet.
Yeah, so come on, you're not bad, just
Christine, Chrome, Christine, belly, you the grip sweet, okay discreet.
Come.
Which part, which street? Send you down, hold it deep, 6 feet.
Send you down, hold dig 6 feet. As a preacher, man, I go preach away about the 6'6" you go under. Dead, you're dead. What? You're not bad, brother. Mr. Kiss my teeth. Yeah, that shit, brother. Yeah, baby in a diaper. You're not bad. Yeah.
What you say you lock way? Which part, which street? Send you down, hold it deep, 6 feet. Bad man gun, you can't know where this keep. 4 gentlemen, them no drink fish tea. 36 in
You hear that? Bad man gun this, you can't know which part this keep, brother. My gun lock, you can't know which part it like, you're informer number 1. Number 2, you're not bad. You see me? 4 gentlemen, them no drink fish tea. We not drink fish tea, we not mix up your nut with fish. Know yourself. Blood this. Blah. Yo, big up all the 4th Gen fans, them representing the comment section, man. Bombaclad.
Head fixing, scope like a big screen, panel 16. 18C chip, hammer built team. And the men's man sprinting like a gym team.
Yo, me a follow Govy from thing there, from him name Diablo. When his lyrics was much more grimier than this, so me know what he's capable of. Me know say I'm a bad lyricist. Me know say when him and Diddy link up, trouble there and a blood clot there. Trouble in that, no joke. So big up Govy. Let's go again with your part.
So come on, you no bother, you a piss sheet, boy you bad. Christine, Chrome, Christine, belly, you the grip sweet, okay discreet. What you say you lock way? Which part, which street? Send you down, hold it deep, 6 feet. Bad man gun, you can't know where this keep. 4 gentlemen, them
no drink fish tea.
16 at the clip, see? Head fixing, scope like a big screen, panel 16. 18C chip, hammer built team. And the men's man sprinting like a gym team. Big tree, get them, that's a quick tree. Quick feet, boom, pussy at the big tree.
Big tree, get them, that's a quick tree. Quick 3 pints, it mean right, that's alright? Big tree, get them, quick 3 pints.
Panel 16, 18C chip, hammer build team. And the men's man sprinting like a gym team.
Come!
Big tree, get them, that's a quick tree. Quick feet, boom, pussy at the big tree. Which car, which ratty van, which jeep? On the rifle over the south on that in a mince.
Which car, which van, which ratty? No police can pull up here, so. Turn the rifle them over there, so turn them in a mince meat. The man said that even police were not afraid of. Police are getting knockings. Clap. Bomba clap.
Big screen pan the 16, 18C chip, hammer build team. Ornaments man sprinting like a gym team. Big tree, get them, that's a quick tree. Quick feet, boom, pussy at the big tree. Which car, which ratty van, which jeep? Turn the rifle over the south on that in a mince. Turn up and play brave when you key wave with the rifle. Bare face, miggle day break. Turn up and play brave when you key wave. Hit a chum smoke, hotter than a grave near. Turn up and play brave when you key wave. Lay wait out a key, get 3 days straight. Turn up and play brave when you key wave. Extra clipping on my jeans like.
If you make out a steal, stand up and play brave when the blood clot key wave. If you make out a steal, if you make out a steal, turn up and play brave, brother. And you see something. You gonna see something. Me bleach outside the gate for 3 days. Straight and wait till you come out. I say, come out! You're dead! What I say? Criminal, murderer, convict, prison bud! What? What?
I can't get 3 days straight. Turn up and play brave when you key wave. Extra clipping on my jeans like a Mayday. Govy, punish town, homestead, that a hot zone.
What?
When Messi clap chrome, that a pop bone. From me a jubi, me a bust face with fat stone. Till gun in a me black clothes so the Glock sport.
Me can relate. Me can blood can relate. From me a juvie. Me was the bust up boy head. A regular. Pan school road me bust up boy head. Regular dog. I know 1, 2 or 3 times. People who know me know say yo me's a flinger. Me fling a stone in the head said and run down me head. Zit! You can't come on me yard gate. Me have some bigger cousin. You can't come on me yard gate. Come do what? Eh? Me used to fast in the brother. When my boss said me run gun in the dog. Me not stand up to see how it bleed in the. Me cut gun in the dark. And that my thing in the brother. Fling stone at. Yo. What?
3 days straight. Turn up and play brave when you key wave. Extra clipping on my jeans like a Mayday.
Govy. Yeah, I don't want to protege. Me know say you make the 4th camp the 4th Jenna proud. You see me? I do that did a good thing by pushing you out and pushing you to the forefront, me G. You're talented, you're fuck, no joke. You're bad.
Govy, punish town, homestead, that a hot zone.
Yeah.
When Messi clap chrome, that a pop bone. From me a jubi, me a bust face with fat stone. Till
yeah.
running on me black clothes so the Glock sport.
Yeah.
How those all little tadpole, them a try top drive by, them a black road. Rifle with SWAT scope, rock fort. Fi bad strike force, now fi bun crack coke.
For bad strike force, now fi bun crack or coke. For bad strike force, now fi bun crack coke. We bad naturally, brother. We don't need no influence. That's what the G them a say. We don't need no influence. We bad naturally. You see me? Yeah.
6 in the 4-4, slap 4. Beer teeth a fly like when you pop home. Flank a CLM lock down top road. Beer imported the killer hand one. Program precise like me a top phone. Take 9 fire 9 binds with the top chrome. Hands under pressure like it a hot bone. 90 and 4 the wicked and bone.
Hands under pressure like it a hot bone. You get it? Pressure cooker, bone, pressure cooker, tough meat, pressure cooker, yeah. But why I'm say hog bone? Why I'm going to say goat bone? Cause you don't know sometimes you have to pressure the curry goat. People pressure pork too. I never know people pressure pork still.
Killer hand one, program precise like me a top phone. Take 9 fire 9 binds with the top chrome. Hands under pressure like it a hot bone. 90 and 4 the wicked and bone. Turn up and play brave when you key wave with the rifle. Bare face miggle day break. Turn up and play brave when you key wave. Hit a chum smoke hotter than a grave near. Turn up and play brave when you key wave. Lay wait out a key get 3 days straight. Turn up and play brave when you key wave. Extra clipping on my jeans like a Mayday.
Turn up and play brave. Turn up and play brave. Yo, this bad. Yo, big up Diddy. Big up Diddy. Brothers keepers. Yo, big up Diddy. And big up Govy. Big up the 4th Jenna camp. Yo, this is a banger, brother. This is a banger. So this song now. What this song do? This song set the pace for the next series, like the next wave of music we are gonna drop. Cause we know say every time summer done and the winter step in, the man is just I make it a dark Christmas. So let's see how dark it gonna be. So to me, this is one of the songs that set the pace. I go into the transition period. You know what I mean? It's bad. If you enjoyed that one, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to tell a friend, say, we blood out here! We blood! Oh, what you say? Eh? Blood! Yo, look at what people, look at what.